Let's derive the quadratic formula. So starting with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, we're trying to rearrange this equation to isolate x, because that would be the solution. So let's subtract c from both sides. It's going to be easier to work with a coefficient of x squared of 1, so let's divide the entire equation by a. Let's now complete the square on the left-hand side by adding the square of half of b on a, which is b squared plus 4a squared. That means we have to add b squared on 4a squared to the right-hand side as well. Check out the video on completing the square if it's something that you would like to know more about. Now on the left-hand side, we can complete the square. We make a perfect square, and we get x plus b on 2a all squared. And now on the right-hand side, we're going to make a common denominator, because this will allow us to make one fraction. And you can see, oh, there's our b squared minus 4ac. In the next line, we're just going to write this as one fraction. So we've got b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Now, scroll down a little bit. We're going to square root both sides, and we're another step closer to getting x on its own. And when we square root both sides of an equation, we put plus minus. So the square root of the numerator is simply square root of b squared take 4ac. The square root of the denominator is 2a. And that's where our 2a comes from. And now all we do is subtract b on 2a from both sides. So we have x equals negative b on 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And we can write this as a single fraction since we have the same denominator, giving us negative b plus or minus root of b squared take 4ac all over 2a. And there is our quadratic formula. So we can use this to find the solutions of any quadratic in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Take care now.